still see the road, but yeah, it's okay. How bad is it? It's flooded over here. Thank you, rain. Go through here, but over there looks a lot more flooded, like where the ambulance is, with the. I'm gonna have to reverse. Yeah, well, there's everywhere. Get to the expressway.
We could go through here, but we cannot go that way right now.
Yeah, we can't go that way. We could go that way and see if I can find another major road. Huh?
On the middle of the expressway, we're already close by, okay?
Yeah.
Or maybe we could try this one.
So they're looking at their high beams. Go around a red light. I need a red light up. Stop sign. Didn't look so bad over here. Let's hope it's not. Come on, Raymondville. Get with it. Fix your drainage system. It's flooded.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm gonna go that way.
I mean, there's gonna be some roads get down clear, so.
Yeah. I'm looking for a big road. Look, all these are little neighborhood roads. Those are ones that get flooded pretty quick. The big roads usually are wider. So there's like more roads. I think that's one of them over there. Keep seeing cars pass by over there. 77. What a night we picked, man.
I told you it was gonna rain all week.
Yeah, I didn't think it was that bad. Maybe it wasn't too bad. I think that was way early.
I bet the one we just passed.
Yeah. We looked here, I think we're far away from the flood, hopefully. I don't know what the hell. Look at all those lights over there. What is that? It's a fishing pier. Oh, it's a house. Shit, I thought it was a.
Why they're right now for a house?
Yeah. I don't know where I'm at, dude. What the heck is this? Well, I know I'm in Raymondville, but I don't know Raymondville. I've never actually driven through it, like the little town, the neighborhood.
See.
It's always the same route, before Mansfield and back. Are there cops over there?
Is it
Still
pretty?
cops? Yeah. Yeah, it doesn't look safe over there, man.
That's my phone. Oh, this looks like a main road.
Yep, we found it.
Ahora que se ponga una pinche capa allá, like stopping. Damn, that'll suck though. Like stopping us from going because it's flooding.
No, man, that's nice. Damn, why does it smell like shit? You got the net?
Huh?
Yeah, I'll get it. Oh, look at that. Alright. Hope this rain slows down. I'd walk over here on the gravel and not on the mud yet. Go ahead. Go ahead. No, go.
Huh?
Go for it. Because if there's a bird, you scare it away for me.
Oh shit, careful, Daddy.
Oh shit. Yeah. Damn, I almost stepped in that. Oh. Man, that part's bad. Yeah, we got the pier to ourselves. Hopefully it's gonna get any worse than this from the rain, dude. Because it does. We can go back in the car. Oh, hey, there's another pier over there. Pretty cool.
There's another one over there by your...
Oh yeah. Shiner live mullet. Oh, dead. Man, look how the water looks real sandy. Like all the sand got cooked up. I wonder if you can see it. Man, that looks pretty crazy. Are you gonna go all the way to the end?
Huh?
You wanna go all the way to the end? The only thing I'm thinking about is hoping there's no pelicans or anything.
I didn't hear you what you said.
So the only thing that I'm fearing is I'm hoping there's no pelicans or anything at the end, man. That's all man, look at those fucking shit, those birds. See them over there, but oh my god, look at those birds.
I mean, they're just flying, man.
Yeah. Oh my god, there's there. God dang it, dude. Okay, yeah, they're gone. Stupid rain there. See the last light where we caught the speckled duck?
Like, yeah, I didn't hear you. I can't hear it because of the plastic bag, so I hear it on my ears. Can you see us?
So this is the light where I caught the speckled trout.
Oh yeah, I think so. Mira, ¿those son lures esas?
No, that's for cigars. Ah, stupid bird. Alright. This is the spot. Oh, Junior, you sound like a flag.
Huh?
You sound like a flag.
¿Verdad?
I had an awesome rig earlier. I was very eager to try, and my knot was not tight enough. And I ended up losing on my first toss, man, and it goes $11 down the drain. No bites yet. I mean, we just got here, so I haven't been throwing too much. But these stupid seagulls and a flock of pelicans earlier were flying near us, and it scared the crap out of me, man. I didn't move worth anything, and I didn't. Oh my god, if you guys didn't know by now, I'm terrified of birds. And these seagulls over here, I don't know if you can see them. Somebody left some dead fish on the pier and bait, and so they've been trying to get them, so I hope they get them and leave. I'm just probably gonna toss them in the water so I won't have to deal with them. They're affecting my fishing, man. Any bites yet, Gina? Seems like I'm just mowing the grass with these lures over there. Water getting to your face?
Huh?
Water's getting to your face?
I'm just trying to cover my head, but I can't.
Have you seen any popping or no?
Huh?
Have you seen any popping or no? Man, that was a big jump for a shrimp. Huh? That was a big jump for a shrimp. It went from over there like way over here.
It's a super shrimp.
If the rain picks up, dude, we'll have to wait in the car.
Yeah.
It wasn't a good day to come fishing. Barely 7 in the morning, man.
I'm gonna smoke a cigarette.
I would just leave the lure in the water, man.
Huh?
I would leave the lure in the water, let it float around, and
Yeah, I know, but oh yeah, there's something.
I'm tossing it that way. That way you don't get so much of the wind in your hair. In your hair. In your hair. In your face. Oh shit! Oh my god. Stupid pelican scared me. Oh my god, pelican bird. Wow, my rod's over there. Stupid seagull. Now that's scary over there. Look at all the pelicans. I hope they don't come over here. I'm very scared that they're coming. The wind is pushing them over here. Look at that. That's not joking, man. Stupid seagull floating above us or hovering above us, like made my knees weak. I'd say you have a better chance with your lure to catch a fish than mine. I might have to switch mine out, but if this rain picks up anymore, dude, we're just gonna have to cancel it, man. Cause I don't want to be flooded over there going home, you know?
Yeah.
The winds are picking up. Look how dark it is over there. I don't think we're gonna stay here any longer. outside just to head home. Man, look at that. Shoot. Man, some other day. Getting drenched. Yeah, the wind's picking up. I don't. Oh shit. Yeah, it's coming in fast.
We didn't forget anything, though?
Nah. Well, at least we got a good video of it this time. But yeah, I don't want to get stuck right there in the muddy road. I hope that didn't come out on camera. Oh, shit, man.
The sun hasn't even come out.
Yeah, look how dark it got so fast. Oh, damn. It's not scary in the city, but when you're out in the ocean and there's really nothing around you, man, that thunder and lightning, that's super scary.
Yeah, it's different.
I gotta be careful with the mud here. Okay, right there where you stepped, right here. You're good right there. You got it? Yep, it's getting dark.